Hey y'all, they're like bricks. I wanted to come to y'all attention and tell y'all that your girl is finally about to start like taking her hair vitamins again. You already know about these vitamins, y'all. These Nature Hair Bounties. These vitamins right here were the reason why my hair kind of like grew back along my protection hairstyle journey, y'all, when I started back out with my big chop. And y'all, so something came to my attention the other day. My friend Leon was like, Chelsea, what can I do to grow my hair back? Do these remedies. You could take these like hair vitamins. And that encouraged me to be like, you know what, I wanted to go get back on my vitamins and stuff like that too. Like I wanted to go ahead and have those in while I had my protection hairstyle. So that really encouraged me to go back and go get the vitamins. The local Harris Teeter, y'all, they have this bomb ass sale there. I got 2 of these bottles right here, y'all. I want to get one free. 180 gummies, y'all. They come in strawberry and they come in orange. I got both strawberry. The orange is good too, y'all. I want to get one free. We only $10. I'm telling y'all, y'all definitely gonna want to get buy one, get one free with the Nature Hair Bounty. I want to tell y'all I'm getting back on my natural hair journey, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, y'all, and I'll be back with another video, okay, y'all? Peace.